Hi and welcome to my kitchen. This week's recipe, apple hand pies, fresh, crisp, sweet and sour with Granny Smith apples wrapped in golden puff pastry. Here's how to make it. Starting off with butter and brown sugar, adding peeled and diced Granny Smith apples, a touch of salt, just a little cinnamon, lemon juice, vanilla, and a slurry made with cornstarch and a little bit of water to thicken it up. Using full sheets of puff pastry that have been thawed in the refrigerator overnight and slicing them into 6 pieces, fill about 1 tablespoon of the filling into the center of the puff pastry, and then you want to go ahead and fold over gently, pressing on the sides for full closure with a fork. Press down and slide out on all the open sides to be sure that we keep the filling in. So that they don't explode, go ahead and slice them and preheat your oven to 400 Fahrenheit and brush with a little egg wash. And here I'm sprinkling sugar crystals. They really do make a difference. If you can invest in those, this is where you want to do it. So about 20 minutes in the oven and let it cool to set, and there you have your easy peasy, absolutely fresh, light, and delicious apple hand pies. Thanks so much for watching. Like and subscribe for new videos every Monday. And have a great day. Bye for now.